Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karina here with another video. Today's video will be about hair. Like, it's no surprise here. So this will be an update on this hair, which is the ISee hair that I posted a little over a month ago. I kind of want to wear it, show you guys what is happening, my POV on this, and you know, if it's really worth the coins. So keep watching if you're interested in learning more. So before we get into the video, I just want to remind you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so I can continue making more and more of these videos. So I mean, let's just get into it. So this is the hair that you guys saw. I will post a link to the video below, and I'll probably insert a picture here so you guys can see. This was the hair. So this was ISee hair. I watched a lot of videos because I was just looking for some bundles to try out. You know, I hadn't tried something in a while. I had not tried. Like, hold on. So it was a while since I had tried new hair. That's what I'm trying to say. So I needed to try something new. And here we are with ISee hair. So just to recap, if you want to know the details of the specs and things like that, you can go to the video below. But quickly recapping, this is 4 bundles and a frontal. I don't even, 24, 22, 20 I think are the inches. I can't remember what the frontal is. And I want to make it into a wig because most of the pre-constructed wigs that I buy, they don't fit my head because my head is so big. Like, all right, so I've been wearing this hair for about a month. I would say on and off though. Like, this isn't a consistent wear, but I would probably say out of the month, maybe 75% of the month, I was wearing the hair, and I wore the hair to sleep. I didn't take it out because I wanted to see, like, can it withstand the test of time and the test of the bed and the cotton sheets. So that's what I did. I did tie it down, and I did the most, like, you know, the maintenance that you're supposed to do with hair. And I think it's held up really well. So in regards to washing it, I'll be honest, I haven't washed it. I've only conditioned it once. And you know, you should be maintaining your hair at least once or twice a week. That being said, I think for something that I haven't really taken care of, honestly, like, I have not paid any mind to this wig, and I haven't given it the love and affection it deserves, I think it's doing pretty well. So, all right, so let me just get into the pros of the hair. Like, let's wrap this video up. So the pros of this hair, it is true to length. That's the first thing that I liked about it, because there's some hair, and if you watch my last video, not true to length. This one, I will stand up, just don't mind my little gut. But this is the length of the hair. So it hits me, and this is curly, and it hits me here. So I thought behind me, it hits me here. So you can see it's true length. It's 24 inches, so it's true length. It might be 26, but I don't remember. So that is that. That's something that I really like. The other thing is, like, it's still very, like, shiny. It holds luster like nothing. Like, it's so weird because, like, I think when I first washed it and I first got the hair was the only time that, like, I went in there and I put an oil in and I made sure that it was, like, nice. But, like, this is literally like sleeping on the hair, tying up the hair. It looks like this. It actually just still looks like this with no effort, like no additional product, nothing. I'm like, wow. Next thing, frontal. I think the frontal's holding up very well. I've had issues where I get a frontal that's very different quality than the hair, which all the time happens, and the top gets dry and tangly, and then the bundles are nice, and you're like, but why? Like, you know what I mean? So for me, this one is holding up just as well as the bundles. I'm gonna come a little bit closer, but, like, don't page me because I didn't do the baby hairs. I literally just tied it down, got some bed head, took off my head tie, and I did this video. So just bear with me. All right, so zooming in, here's what the frontal looks like. Again, I did not do the baby hairs. This is literally just the leftover bed head stuck to my forehead. Nothing is done here. But I just wanted you guys to kind of see how it lays. Like, this is all lace, and it looks like my skin, and I haven't added any product onto the lace either, so this is just dry bed head, sorry. But it's honestly holding up really well in my opinion. So yeah, wow, I just really fucked up my hair. Okay, so yeah, the frontal is really holding up well. It bleached well, the hair is sitting on it well, it still has shine. Really am a fan of this frontal so far. It's one of the best frontals that I've personally gotten to date. Not saying a lot because I have a lot of frontals. So okay, so onto the hair itself again. I haven't really experienced any shedding. Like the shedding is very, 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 very minimal. So I just want to stress that because I have a lot of wigs and I have a lot of hair that I think sheds a lot, and this is not it. This is really not it. Like this is, and I don't want to. You'll catch a couple snags here and there, but not snags that are shedding. Like it's just, I'm telling you guys, like I'm doing this, nothing. It doesn't shed. Nothing, again. And I just felt another snag, nothing. It's really, sorry, no, I said nothing a lot, but it's holding up very, very well. So overall, I really do like the hair itself, but I'm not gonna try to play you guys right now because there's some cons. All right, so there's 2 cons, but they're pretty significant cons, and I think it's really important that you guys know them before you go and buy this hair. So first con, it tangles in the back. I know. I know. It's like one of the biggest cons that most people can't stand, and this hair does it. So the one thing I will say, like, let me try to, I don't know if I can zoom. Let's see if I can zoom here. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see. Actually, this side's not doing that bad. Let's see, this side. Darn it. Okay, I think I might have brushed them out. But, so I don't have example right now, but I'm telling you that this hair tangles in the back. So you'll kind of be doing your own thing, la-di-da-di-da, and then in about like, I would say a couple hours, you'll kind of go like this, and you'll be like, and you'll get a little bit of a snag. It is not matting. It's not to the point where it's like, I need to get a whole brush, start from the bottom and brush out. It's just, it tangles. So it's like, oh, you gotta run your fingers through. Oh, I got one right here. You kind of gotta run your fingers through, but again, no shedding. So I don't know, it's weird. Like it doesn't shed, but it does kind of tangle in the back. That last row tangles in the back. So that's the downside. And it's actually, somebody commented on my last video and asked me, like, is it tangling in the back yet? And I was like, no, not yet, which was like about a week or so ago. But now it's starting. I know what she's talking about, but it's not something that I would say I wouldn't buy the hair because of. It's another con. It is a little bit frizzy. So like, I don't know if you guys can see. Let's see if it's frizzy right. Is it frizzy right now? Well, I don't know if you guys can see. It kind of gets a little, like, I don't know how to explain it, but it does this a little bit sometimes, and like in the back it'll just kind of, I know I'm purposely doing it right now, but like it does this sometimes. It kind of gets like stiff and like frizzy and like throughout. I don't know, it's like it doesn't want to act the way it normally acts now because it's on camera. Now it wants to act perfect, like everything is great, but it's not. And I want you guys to know that it's not. So it does get a little bit frizzy, in my opinion, but not, again, not something that is a deal breaker in my opinion. So the 2 cons are manageable cons because they're not to the extent that some hair is. Some hair, like, it's a nest in the back. This is not a nest, it's just tangles. You know what I mean? And it's like, you can probably go the whole day without it bothering you, and then at night you can brush it out and you'll be fine for the next day. And the frizziness, I almost feel like it's my fault because I haven't washed the hair. I don't really maintain the hair. I don't put in any product to keep the hair up to the par that it should be. So I think that it's partially me, so I don't want to blame the vendor for the frizziness of the hair because I think that's something I can manage personally. So all right guys, so that kind of wraps it up. I think I've spoken about everything that I've written down. The one thing I will say is from a maintenance standpoint, to keep it like this, because I don't really put heat in the hair, which is probably another reason it's holding up so well. I basically just use flexi rods. I put 3 flexi rods on each side, and I put one in the front to make sure this kind of goes in the right direction and then the other two so that the waves are big, and I kind of wake up and the hair looks like this. So that's how I do it, and it's not annoying to sleep on because like the flexi rods are basically down here. They're not like poking out everywhere on your head. And then I just put my bonnet on top and I go to bed. So all right, so thank you guys again for coming back to the channel. Thank you for all the new people who are watching. Let me know if you guys have any more questions about the hair. I mean, I guess I didn't tell you, but I give it 2 thumbs up. If you want to talk stars, I'm sitting at like an 8.5 right now with this hair. Love this hair, no complaints about this hair. Like the tangling I can deal with, the frizziness, let me just wash it and I think it should be fine. So I'm not sure if I'll come back and do like another update. I don't know, you guys let me know if that's what you guys want to see, but I think a month can give you an idea of whether the hair is worth it or not. This to me is worth it. This is one of my top wigs, so that's that. So thank you guys again for coming, and I'll see you guys on another one.